Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Masih, faculty at the School of Management at BML Munjal University, Gurgaon. About my educational background, I have studied from Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Drexel University, USA and Erasmus School of Economics, Netherlands. When I finished my studies and came back to India, I realized that we talk a lot about technology, artificial intelligence, Industry 5.0, but really is this technology reaching towards the weaker section of the society, especially agriculture and rural communities? And then I realized the answer is no. Because of lack of technology and awareness, till date our farmers are using conventional and traditional agricultural methods to grow their crops, and as a result every year they face huge losses. Why? Because they are not able to identify any disease that is occurring in their fields. They are not able to identify if there is any kind of insect attack. That's when this idea of creating a drone that can help farming community at a very affordable price clicked to my mind. So I, along with my fellow scientists, created a team, and then we created a small drone called EcoFly, which has recently been granted patent by UK government. So this drone is a nano drone and it can literally fit the size of my palm, and its weight is 230 grams. Now the specialty of this drone is that it can fly very close to the crops, and it can up to the accuracy of 92% predict what kind of bacterial or viral disease any crop is having. If the crop is having early infestation of any insect or any termite or any grub, it can also tell you if there is any kind of nutrition based deficiency. For example, if the leaves of the plant turns yellow, there might be a deficiency of nitrogen. If the leaves turn black, there might be deficiency of zinc, and hence this small yet affordable drone can provide a one-stop solution to our farming community in early identification of any kind of nutritional deficiency, any kind of disease, any kind of insect attack, and as a result the overall productivity of small farmers can be increased by up to 20%, and in case of large farmers, in case of monocropping, that means if they just grow one crop, it can be the productivity can be increased by 30%. So I really hope this innovation that we developed here reaches to the masses, and we keep on getting your support and love. Thank you so much.